Part 3 of 3. 6 questions on Cash Stampede. 15 seconds each. Pause if you want longer. Which cached item is the most dangerous to leave unprotected? The one with the most traffic and the slowest rebuild, because those two numbers multiply. 10,000 requests a second against a rebuild that takes 2 seconds means 20,000 concurrent expensive queries. That's the number that takes a database down. Rank every cached key by requests per second times rebuild cost, and the top of that list is where you spend your protection budget. You almost certainly don't need to protect everything. Does simply increasing the TTL solve stampades? No, and this is the fix everyone reaches for first. A longer TTL means the stampede happens less often. It does absolutely nothing to make it smaller when it does. Arguably, you've made things worse. A stampede every 10 minutes gets diagnosed on Tuesday afternoon, while one that happens every 6 hours becomes a mystery incident nobody can reproduce and everybody forgets the cause of. With stampede protection requires zero coordination between servers. Probabilistic early expiration, and this is the underrated reason to like it. Every request makes its decision entirely on its own, from the key's age and a random number. No shared lock. No consensus. No new distributed system to run and monitor and debug at 3 in the morning. You get most of the protection with none of the coordination, and coordination is where the operational pain always lives. Under request coalescing, what do the requests that don't rebuild do? They attach themselves to the rebuild that's already running and share its answer. That's the elegance of it. Nobody is turned away and nobody duplicates work. One query goes to the database and 10,000 requests are satisfied from it. Go ships this as single flight. Most languages have something equivalent, and it's worth knowing the name because it's the cleanest expression of the whole idea. Your cache cluster restarts and every key is gone. What is the immediate danger? Every single request goes to the database, the total stampede. No key has a value, so there's no stale data to serve and no in-flight rebuild to attach to. Your database is now taking 100% of production traffic, which is very likely a load it has never once handled. This is why cache restarts want warming or a traffic ramp, not a cold cutover at peak hour. What is the deeper lesson a cache stampede teaches? That the thing you optimized away is still load-bearing. Your cache didn't just make the database faster. It quietly made a database that cannot survive your actual traffic look perfectly adequate. That's fine, right up until the cash blinks, and then the truth arrives all at once and all at the same second. Every stampede fix in this quiz is really the same move. Make sure losing the cash is a slope, never a cliff. That's 20. If a few of those stung, good. That's the useful kind of stinging. The full cash stampede episode walks through every one of them properly, and the link is below. See you in the next quiz.